Hello, I'm Theo Vorster. Today I want to talk about wills. And there's actually one point I'd like to get across as a point of departure, a priority. Make sure you have a valid will. Simply put, too many South Africans pass away without a valid will. What happens then? Well, first of all, you will die what is technically termed intestate, which means the process as well as where your assets will end up is governed by law. Now, unfortunately in South Africa, we're in a position where you actually don't want to have the government official to be in control of your estate and to winding up of your estate. So please make sure that you have a will. So there's two elements that you want to achieve by having a will. Number one, you want certainty. You want to know exactly who gets what and that actually happens. Secondly, you want to make the process as smooth and as easy as possible. So overall, make sure you have a will. What's a valid will? A valid will needs to be signed by yourself. It needs to be dated. And the reason for being dated is that your last will be the one that will be used. So make sure that it's dated and that it is your last will. Secondly, make sure it's signed by two witnesses, two independent witnesses. Nobody that's involved in the will, nobody that's a beneficiary, nobody that's a family member, a pure third party. Make sure you have those details. That's to have a valid will. Then how often should you review your will? Review your will every time something big changes in your life. Your family circumstances change, you have children, you grow older, your children grows up. Make sure you review your will every time there's a change. Or set a schedule. Do your will every January, every March, but review it. Having said all of this, my pledge is make sure you have a valid will and make sure that everybody knows where that will is, so that is the will that will be acted on by the executor of your estate.